Hey everyone! Today I'm going to retell the stories of Finding Nemo and Finding Dory. These are two amazing Pixar animated movies full of adventure, humor, and heartwarming moments. They mix family, friendship, and courage, everything that makes a story unforgettable. So let's get started. The first story, Finding Nemo, begins with a clownfish named Marlin. Marlin is very protective because he lost his wife and most of their eggs in a tragic event, leaving only one son, Nemo. Nemo is adventurous and curious, which more worries Marlin. On Nemo's first day of school, he gets a little too curious and is captured by a scuba diver. This sets Marlin off on a huge journey across the ocean to rescue his son. Along the way, Marlin meets Dory, a friendly but forgetful blue tonguefish. Dory becomes his guide and companion, even though she forgets things easily, which leads to both funny and challenging situations. Together, they face sharks, jellyfish, strong currents, and other ocean danger. Meanwhile, Nemo is in a fish tank in a dead disk of fish, where he meets other fish who help him climb and escape. After a series of clever and daring adventures, Marlin and Nemo are finally reunited. The story ends with Marlin learning to trust Nemo more and letting him grow, and Nemo understanding the importance of bravery. Then comes Finding Dory, which focuses on Dory herself. Dory suddenly remembers her family and set out on a journey to find them. Marlin and Nemo accompany her, and together they travel to a marine life institute, facing new challenges along the way. Dory meets many new characters like Hank the octopus, Bailey the beluga whale, and Destiny the whale shark. Through obstacles, setbacks, and moments of self-doubt, Dory learns the value of persistence, friendship, and believing in herself. She discovers that family is not just about being together physically. It's also about love, support, and never giving up. By the end, Dory is reunited with her parents, and Marlin and Nemo strengthen their bond with her, making the trio inseparable. Now, my opinion, I think Finding Nemo and Finding Dory are incredible stories. They're not just about adventure, they teach lessons about courage, family, friendship, and overcoming fears. Marlin is relatable as a loving parent who has to learn to let go, while Nemo is brave and curious. Dory is hilarious, kind, and surprisingly wise, showing that even with challenge, you can achieve great things. What makes this movie so engaging in their combination of heart, humor, and amazing underwater visuals? The ocean feels alive, full of colorful characters and exciting dangers. The pacing is perfect, there's tension, laughter, and emotional moments all balanced. The friendship between Marlin and Dory and later the new character in Finding Dory keeps you invested in their journey. When I watched this movie, I felt a mix of excitement, nervousness, and warmth. There are moments that made my heart race, especially during Nemo's daring escape or Dory facing challenge alone. I also felt emotional because both movies show the importance of love, trust, and never giving up on someone you care about. Overall, Finding Nemo and Finding Dory made me feel inspired, entertained, and emotional in the best way. They're full of adventure, friendship, and heartwarming message. If you love story about courage, family, and never giving up, these movies are definitely worth watching. So yeah, these stories aren't just about fish swimming in the ocean. They're about bravery, friendship, and the power of never giving up on yourself, on the ones you love. That's what makes them unforgettable for me. Thank you for listening.